Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to set up direct deposit in QuickBooks online. Before starting, make sure your QuickBooks payroll service is active and your bank account is connected. Firstly, open QuickBooks Online and click the Employees menu. Select Get Payroll Updates from the available options and choose the option Download the entire update. Click the Update button and wait for the system to complete the update process. Make sure your QuickBooks payroll system and desktop components, if used, are fully updated to avoid setup issues. If you are paying vendors, confirm they are enabled for direct deposit. Then go to Vendors, then Vendor Center. Find the vendor and double-click their name to open details, and then go to the Additional tab and click on Direct Deposit option to activate it. Confirm and save the vendor setup so they can receive payments via direct deposit. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. I will see you on the next one.